So today we're going to complete our second task, which is talking about if conditional type 1. So we are going to listen to the song as I told you before, but you can find this link on Google Classroom. You can enter to the Google Classroom and have the song. You can listen to the song and you can see the lyrics as well. So before we start, I'm going to show you a part of the song and we're going to explain what we are going to have or what we are going to talk about during the song. So we have part of the song here. I will play it just right here. Mhm. Find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea. So if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, so if we take a look, we have the word if here. It's uh, this is how we start an if sentence or an if clause. We start with the word if, and then if we take a look at the verb, we have the verb find, and the verb find is in the present simple tense. So we are talking about the first type or if conditional type one, which is talking about possibilities. So if there is a possibility to find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, if you are stuck in the middle of the sea, if there is any possibility that you are stuck in the middle of the sea, then we have the main clause, and the main clause consists of the subject, which is I, and well, which is going to be there in type 1. I will sail, and after well, we have a base form. It's called sail. I'll sail the world to find you. So we have a result for the reason or the condition. Here we have a condition. If you ever find yourself stuck in the sea, if this ever happens, we are going to seal the world and to find you. So if this thing happens first, the result is going to happen second. Let's take a look to another example. Have you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can see? So find again is the verb, this verb in the present tense. Then we have the word F. And at the second part of the song or the second part of the sentence, we have I'll be the light. I'll be the light to guide you. So um, if we are going to complete our lesson, so we have the word if. After if, we use the present tense. If I am hungry, I will eat an apple. If I get very bored, I will watch TV. So I'm going to write it here. I will watch TV. Sorry, TV. If I fail my exams, uh, I will do it again. I will not stop. If I get a good mark in English, I will invite you to drink coffee. If trains, I will stay at home. If I am late for school, I sorry, I will take the bus or I will take a taxi because much faster. So this is how we use if type 1. So what is going to be after well? After if we have the word well, and we use the word well for many things. We use it for the future. So, for example, when you think or believe something about the future, I think it will rain tomorrow. I think it will be, this lesson will become very easy. When you are making decisions, I'm tired, I think I will. Or when you want to change your life, I will talk more slowly, I will learn to play the piano. If and well together, if my friend is bored, I will. If my friend's sad, if my friend's late, if my friend is stressed, I will do blah 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 blah. So a good friend is someone who what? One way to make your friends happy is to do what? Friends are important because when I am with my friends, I like to. My best friend is someone who. So what we actually focusing on is the grammar point. So we have to use what The base form, sorry, the present simple tense feels, gets, is, don't, get. So I will use will. And so now let's go to Google Classroom. You will have a sheet. I want you to listen to the song, and while you're listening, I want you to match the two parts of the song together. That's it. Thank you.